Welcome back to our Python coding challenge series. Today, I have an exciting and advanced problem that will push your algorithmic skills to the limit. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to do so and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our daily tutorial. Here is the challenge. Given an array of integers, find the maximum possible sum of a subarray, where the subarray must contain at least one element. This is a classic algorithmic problem that can be solved with a dynamic programming approach. To solve this problem, I will use a Python function. It's called maximum subarray sum. And this function will take arrays as an input. I will also employ a dynamic programming technique to find the maximum subarray sum efficiently. Let's write the code. I will explain each step as we go along. First, if not nums, this is going to return that it is 0, which means an empty array. And let's define the maximum sum is the first nums or the first element in the list of array, and find the current sum, which is also the first array element. Okay, then we're going to iterate through each element in the array, starting from the first element up to the end of the array elements. Because I already assigned the first element as a maximum sum and current sum, and going to find the sum of the maximum sum of the subarray from a given array elements. Let's define here, assign the current sum by finding maximum of none, the current elements, while iterating over the number of the array elements, and the current sum plus none. The current sum is initially the first element in the array, and it's going to add the current element in the current sum, and find the maximum in between the num or the number in the current iteration and the sum of the current number in the current iteration over with the current sum. Now here, let's assign maximum sum, maximum of the max sum, which was initially assigned by and current sum. And assign them to find the maximum sum here, just find the maximum or in between maximum sum and current sum. The current sum is already here. Then finally, it's going to return, the function going to return that the maximum sum. Okay, this is a systematic or dynamic programming approach to solve this problem. Next, let's test this function. Let's define the list of or array elements -2, 1, for example, -3, 4, -1, 2, 1, -5, and any other list of numbers as an array. And I call that max subarray function and pass the arrays to this function. Let's return maximum subarray sum is result. Yeah, the maximum subarray or subarray sum is 6 in this given array elements. So this function uses dynamic programming to efficiently find the maximum subarray sum. Now let's see that the maximum subarray in the given array elements or integer array is 6. So I encourage you to run the code with different arrays and see if it works as expected. Yeah, you can test this with different integer arrays. If you like to participate, you can post your solution in the comment section under this video. I will be reviewing and discussing some of the submissions in the next video. That's it for today's challenging Python coding challenge. I hope you enjoyed this advanced problem and learned some dynamic programming techniques. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more daily coding challenges. If you have any questions or suggestions for future challenges, please leave a comment below, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.